Hello guys, welcome to the Shankari. This is where we discuss herbs and spices for healthy living. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please subscribe to this channel. You have a lot to gain in this channel. Okay, do not forget to send me thumbs up and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on anything on this channel. Okay, to my returning viewer, thank you very much. Thank you for sticking to this channel. I love you all. Okay, so what I have here is bitter cola and alligator pepper. Okay, so apart from promoting better standing ovulation in men, women can also benefit from this two recipe you are seeing here. Okay, there are a lot of women who do complain of pain during when they are seeing their monthly visitor. Okay, so if you are that type, these two things can actually work for you. So you can take it during, as before, take it before, during your monthly visitor. You will see that you will have a painless time. Okay, you have a painless time. So go and try it out. You will have a painless time. So this recipe is also good to reduce fat. Okay, for those that want to reduce fat, you can actually use just this alligator pepper. Okay, this can actually burn down belly fat. Can burn down belly fat, most especially those who want to lose weight in style. Okay, you want to lose weight in style, you can use this. Okay, as you are taking it every morning on an empty stomach, you will continue to see result gradually. Okay, it works. So go and try it out. Take some seed out. You can take like up to 7 seed, chew it early in the morning on an empty stomach. You will definitely see the work. Okay, so this also is also good for worm. You can also use it as worm expeller, most especially for children. Okay, you can use it for worm expeller for children. Is very very good as well. Okay, so alligator and bitter kola can actually take out some infection from the body. When you combine both of them together, it can actually take out some infections. Okay, so both men and women can benefit from these two recipe. Okay, you can benefit from it. So get some alligator, that's local one like this, and bitter kola. Okay, all you need to do is just peel off the bitter kola. Okay, okay, so the next thing is you get out some seed of this two both together. So no stress, that's all. You will see the power of nature. Okay, that's it. So even to some people who are used to forest like us, you will, this bitter kola, you need it whenever you are going to the bush. You need bitter kola because bitter kola is only fruit on earth that you will put in your mouth. No snake will near you. Okay, no snake will near you. And for those, if maybe by chance any snake enter your house and you cannot detect the snake, use bitter kola. Just chew bitter kola like this and then blow it inside the house. You will see that snake will come out. Try it. You will come back here and testify. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.